This lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create this website from scratch within minutes and have it live with a web URL that you can share to others. So this is a fully functional website that's going to be live online that others can go to. They can view your content, and of course you can customize the content as needed and also change the display settings and update the text, even add in additional pages as needed. So this is all coming from a default template that we're going to click, create the website, and I'll show you how to do that in under 5 minutes. Go ahead and log into your Google account and then head on over to sites.google.com, and this is where you can create a brand new site within the Google Sites platform. So as long as you have a Google account, you can create sites, and this is also if you are using a organizational account. The administrator does have to enable the sites. So if you are using an organizational account and if you are logging in but you're getting some type of error or you can't see the sites the same way that we're looking at it right now, that means that your organization administrator might have blocked the site option within the accounts. So if you are able to go over to sites.google.com and see the site's content, just as I do, this is where you can start creating your blank site. Up at the top, you have an option to create a brand new site, just a blank one. You're also able to select from the various portfolios that are available. You can click the template gallery, and this will give you a sampling of the available sites that you can select and create. So this is a quick and easy way to create a website using one of the predefined templates. So for example, if you do have a holiday party that you're planning, you can select the holiday party template, and that will open up the sites editor. And from here, you can create your own version of that template. So you can update the various elements on the page. You can move them around, you can resize them, and I'll be showing you a little bit more about that later on in the lessons. You can also customize, change the images, and update it and customize the sites page in order to suit your needs. And then once you've made all of the changes, you've updated all of the site pages, then you are ready to publish it. Selecting publish, you can have a customized web address to publish to. And you also have an option to set to a custom domain. So this is an option that you can select. And that's if you already have a domain registered, then you can publish it to the domain. And I'll call it Holiday Test. And it provides me the URL where my website is going to be available. And just below that, you can select who can view your site. So right now I have anyone being able to view the website. So anyone that comes to this web address is going to be able to see the website as holiday test. So sites.google.com/view/holiday test. I can also change this so that I can customize who is able to see it from shared accounts. And I can change the links as well. So I can restrict it to only the users that I'm providing access to, or I can keep it as public, which is the default, and that allows anyone with the web URL to be able to see the page. There's also another option that says the search settings. So this is for searching so that search engines can display your website. And if you select the checkbox, this will request that public search engines do not display this particular Google Sites page. This is an option, and by default, they will display this page and they will index the page. But if you don't want them to index it, then you can always request that it doesn't show up within search. So once you've set your web address, you've customized who can view it, and you've set your search settings, you can click publish, and that's going to publish the website to the URL. And once it's published, you can select, there's buttons at the top where you can select to preview the website. And that's going to launch it into the preview of the website. You can also copy the published site link, and this is going to be the sub-site link that you can share to others. You also have an option to share it with others, so you can send over to people and have others be able to edit, update the site that you just created as well. And if you do want to see the view published site, you can go under the publish. There's an icon on the right hand side, and you can select the view published site, and that will allow you to see the live published website at the live URL that you'd be sharing with others. And it's as easy as that to get started and create a Google Sites page using the templates. Coming up next, I'll show you how you can do that and customize it using a blank template and a blank theme to build your own website from scratch.